Hey everyone, I just wanted to do an answer key for the Lesson 2 homework. I know if you watched the video, I did the first 4 questions in that video, but I'll do them again for you here quickly, just so you can check your answers. Cos beta is 7 over 25, and tan beta is 24 over 7. And letter B here, sine alpha is 6 over 10, cos alpha is 8 over 10, tan alpha is 6 over 8, sine beta is 8 over 10, cos beta is 6 over 10, and tan beta is 8 over 6. And letter C, sine alpha is 12 over 13, cos alpha is 5 over 13, tan alpha is 12 over 5, sine beta is 5 over 13, cos beta is 12 over 13, and tan beta is 5 over 12. Number 2, write the required ratio in fraction and decimal form. So for sine beta, we get 10 over 26, and as a decimal, it is 0.385. Tan theta is 24 over 10, and as a decimal, that is 2.4. Cos theta ended up being 10 over 26, and again 0.385. Tan alpha is 10 over 24, 0.417. Cos theta is 10 over 26, 0.385. Sine alpha is 10 over 26, which is 0.385. All right, on to number 3, find the required ratio in decimal form to 3 decimal places. So you have to have your calculator in degree mode because all of the angles are in degrees. And here are the answers. 0.342, 0.906, 0.454, 0.292, 0.754, 0.799, 57.290, 0.9998. We have to go to 4 decimal places for accuracy on that one. And 0.407, 1.280, 5.671, 0.951, 0.325, 0.695, and tan 45 is 1. Find the angle that would give the given ratio. Okay, so this now we have the ratio and we're finding the angle, so you have to do sine inverse or cos inverse or tan inverse, whichever is applicable. Okay, and we would get that A ends up being 26 degrees. This one is 81 degrees. This is 52 degrees. This is 14 degrees, and this is 24 degrees. This one is 86. This one is 8 degrees. This is 73 degrees. It's just they have the degrees symbol up there for those ones already. Letter K is 66 degrees, and this one is 8 degrees. This will be 68, 56. This one is 58 degrees, 26 degrees, and 81 degrees. Okay. And finally, we're on to number 5. This is ultimately what I wanted to show you. The work for this, there is an answer key at the end, but I wanted to show you the work. Solve for x in each of the following equations. X divided by 10 equals cos of 60 degrees. So if x is being divided by 10, you have to multiply both sides by 10. 10 divided by 10 is just 1, so x is equal to cos of 60 degrees times 10. We write it more commonly like this, 10 times cos 60 degrees. Get out the calculator. I'm going to make sure that I am in degree mode. So we'll go mode. Degree is highlighted there. Good. So it's 10 times cos 60. Hey, and we get an answer of 5. And if we look down at the answer key quickly, hey, we do indeed get an answer of 5 for A. B, x divided by 90 equals cos 15, so you have to do the opposite of dividing by 90, which is multiplying by 90. Do that to both sides, and we get x equals 90 times cos 15 degrees. Calculator, 90 times cos 15, and I'm going to get 86. Let's go to 1 decimal place, 86.9. And is that what they have down here for B? 86.9. Wonderful. Letter C, x divided by 15 equals tan 45. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 15. That cancels to 1. You get 1x equals 15 times tan 45 degrees. 15 tan 45. I'm going to see if it'll do multiplication without me writing it. Yes, it does. Okay. If you want to show it the other way, 15 times tan 45 is 15. That's because tan 45 is equal to 1, so it's ultimately doing 15 times 1 there. All right, so is 5c equal to 15? Yes. Letter D, 20 divided by x equals sine 30. Okay, we saw a little trick for this. Basically, the x and the sine 30 are going to switch spots, because what you do first is you have to multiply both sides by x to get rid of the dividing by x, and you end up with 20 equals sine 30 times x, which normally we would write it as x times sine 30 like this. And now the x is still not by itself. X is being multiplied by sine 30, so you divide both sides by sine 30. And then you can see that x is equal to 20 divided by sine 30 degrees. And if you look at the situation now, remember it started as 20 divided by x equals sine 30, and then you can see that x now is equal to 20 divided by sine 30. So it's kind of like the x and the sine 30 just switch spots, but really those are the operations involved. 20 divided by sine 30, bang, we get an answer of 40. X is 40, so that's a length. That's not an angle. And you can see D down here is 40. So now that we know that trick, if you wanted to, I'd be okay if you guys just switched these and you said x is going to be equal to 48 divided by sine 65. And we get an answer of 52.96. I guess that's going to get rounded to 53.0 if we go to 1 decimal place. there's our 53.0. And again, these switch, so we will get x equals 4.2 divided by 1047, and x is equal to 4.2 divided by 1047, and we get 3.9. And is the answer down here 3.9? Yes, it is. All right, everyone, so that is an answer key for you for the Lesson 2, Trig Lesson 2 homework, and I will talk to you again soon.